I hope you guys are seeing it clear. So we've cut the first one. This is, if you measure it, if you want to make the pyramid, this is 5 by 5 by 5. So this is 1. We are going to cut 3. This will be the under making. So the first thing, now we don't want to waste our material, so we place this here, just like this. Make the first one, roll it out, then you place this way again, then you make the second one. I hope you guys are seeing it clearly. You see, you make the first one and the second one, then you make the third one. Cut it out. So this is what we are going to use. And make sure you bend it. This is 1, 2, and 3. And we bend it the way we want it to be. This is how it's going to be. So this is how it's going to be. This is what we've made so far. You see, we just make our pyramid. So this is what we are going to make as the first. And I've explained to you that when I was making the measurements, that here is 5 inch. This is 5 inch. As you can see, this is 5 inch. The other side as well is also 5 inch. This is 5 inch, and the third side is also 5 inch. So after you finish making this, you place it on your material and you cut out, then you fix the zip to a side. You fix the zip to a side, and the tozel will be on the zip, then your handle will be at the top. This will be the base of the pyramid, which is the under as well. So let's proceed to making that. So I may just fast track the video for you to just see the way everything is made, but this is just like the the pattern we make for it. So without no further ado, let's proceed to making the video and enjoying, and we shall see you at the end of it. So for us to make whatever we want to make quickly, we use our binder to hold it. I have one also, so hold it down on the material so that we can be able to cut accordingly instead of tracing. So as you can see, we finished cutting this now. Now we place this as well and we cut. We take the same thing to this and we cut it out. So we have all our pieces here. So the next thing now is for us to start sewing. So this is our two pieces for the pyramid. We have this for our strap. The strap we are going to use. We have a D-ring. This is the D-ring. The camera is not okay. This is the D-ring. And we have our zip head. Then the strap. By the way, this strap is 2 centimeter. Here is 2 centimeter by 10 inch. The length of this is 10 inch, as you can see. This is it there. It's 10 inch. Then what we are going to need again, we'll be needing is our zip rope. So without no further ado, we are not going to put insert lining on this because the material we are using here has a texture of like a lining, very smooth. So let's proceed to sewing and assembling of the pyramid. So I just finished making the strap. As you can see, I've sewn it. I fold it, then sew. Then this as well, I've joined the zip to it, as you can see. After joining, so I stitch it from the outside to give it a beautiful look. So the next thing now to do is to insert the zip. You insert the zip through this place, then turn it and start making the sewing. And that won't take us much time. It's just for us to insert the zip. So for you to insert the zip, you pull the zip head into the first leg, then you bring out the second one and you place it, you put it halfway. The first one you put it halfway, then you put the second one halfway as well. Then you shift this down, you shift this down, you shift this, you shift this, you shift the both at the same time so that it won't mix each other. And after you have put it, then you zip it. So this is how we want it to look like. This is it. So the next thing now is for us to put the base of the pyramid. So this is our pyramid. So but before putting the base of the pyramid, I have to put the hook for the strap, the D-ring here. So I will do that right away, and let's proceed. So I just finished fixing it. As you can see, I'll fix it. So the next thing now is for us to turn this backward and we start fixing the base of it. So make sure you turn it out like this, then you start fixing the base. You make sure you start from the edge. So let's start from this side and start sewing this. So this is it. We just finished making the bag. By the way, the pyramid purse, I won't say bag, sorry for saying bag, the pyramid purse. So here is it. We just finished making it right away. So after you finish turning it back, then you zip it. It may look small, but this is how you, if you want to do a bigger one, this is the same step you are going to use to do a bigger one. So the next thing we are going to do now is to insert our strap. That's the next step we are going to do right now. So let's go and insert it so that we can proceed and finish up the video. This is our pyramid purse. Here you have it. Our pyramid purse. So we go from this, from the material and the pattern, to this, our pyramid purse. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like, leave a comment on what do you think we should do next. And again, stay tuned. There will be Ankara version of this coming. I will show you the procedure. Ankara one is much harder than this. We'll show you the step involved in making that. Make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment. We shall see you in the next one. Thank you for always being here. Thank you for watching, and happy new year, happy Christmas, happy new year in advance. expect more video before Christmas. Bye.